We're all going on a trip. Good morning, guys. Well, it's not morning anymore. Yeah, we're gonna go for a trip. Let's make some money. Am I right? Yeah, we're getting rich. We're on the train. We're heading back to the Devil Island. Right?
Devil Island.
Back to Schiller, Zealand. Tror jeg.
Jo, det gjorde. What the fuck?
We made it to Roskilde. We're just waiting for someone. Sorry guys, can't tell you everything. All you need to know is I'm getting some money. Check it out, we got paid, man. Let's go. And I finally got some filters for my tobacco. Let's fucking go, man. I've been smoking in Western style for a while now. You can hear it on Mike, the constant coughing. He misses the filters too.
Yeah, I missed the filter too.
Check this out. This is discrimination. No men allowed. What is this shit?
Discriminating.
Come on, Mike. We're leaving. No men. We're leaving. No men. A couple minutes ago, we just passed a beautiful tree. I marked it on Google. I'm gonna go sleep there. Mark my words. We're back in Nyborg. We're back. Let's go. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna go do the shopping for dinner. Let's get it. I've almost done 200 kilometers already. Doesn't feel like it. And doing 200 kilometers with no gear is fucking insane. But at least now I got the money to have my gear and all my tools sent from Portugal. So soon I'll be able to ride responsibly. Here we go. I love this stuff. Let's go. Let's get it. We need some garlic, some butter, and some milk. We need some milk. I'm gonna go see if I'm gonna go order some laundromats for tomorrow. All my clothes are dirty. Dion's, they're getting there as well. I think it's about time. Let's get it. Let me just wash them again. I'm very hygienic when it comes to cooking. It's not like Mike.
We got a freaking 5-star kitchen up in here.
Oh yeah. We're making stuffed tomatoes again, and also stuffed bell peppers.
I mean, any which way we can get those mushrooms in here, that would be very good.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna finally dice the mushrooms.
Why? Why finally dice them? Why not, like, grill them up and saute them?
I mean, that is a possibility too. I'm just thinking it's probably the easiest way to get them in here.
So what are we going to do with the tomato innards?
We're gonna use them tomorrow for tomato sauce for pasta. Guess we're gonna get some minced meat and some other stuff, some carrots, and we already got onions. And then we're gonna make some pasta sauce, tomato sauce, whatever you call it. But yeah, Mike, he's kind of all over the place today. Definitely forgetting to wash his hands, so I was like, let me just take care of this. I got it, man. I want hygienic food.
I mean, as long as the food is going through like a heat process where it's cooked, it don't really much matter whether they wash their hands or not.
I know, but I've seen what he's touched today, and even if it gets scorched in the oven, I just kind of don't want dick and all the other things he's touched today on my stuff, you know?
Yeah, well, the sound of Kiki pussy don't sound appealing to me either, so.
Yeah, we don't want that on our food. Ja, vi taler lidt om dig, bare for sjov.
Hvorfor?
Det er ikke noget seriøst, bare roligt, Kiki. Vi siger bare, at han har stået og gramset på dig, og ikke har vasket hænder, så det er måske meget godt, det er lige mig, der laver det. Er der også grænser på sig selv?
Yeah, I don't give a fuck what she heard.
She's just like, y'all talking about me?
You're just saying you got a stink pussy. God damn, you want some tomato with your salt?
Hey, you instructed me. This is how you make them. This is how we made them the last time when you liked them. I haven't made these before. I'm just following his instructions. But it's nice. It's nice to learn how to make these.
I mean, this is like almost some shelf level shit. Like, I'm surprised he know how to do stuff like this.
I know how to make some good food too. I just mostly make broke ghetto cooking.
I don't know how to make anything because I'm a stupid millennial.
Oh, I'm a millennial too. You're just an American.
Or like, according to my mom, it's like, oh, you never came while I was cooking so I could teach you. Like, you never offered. Damn it.
Well, I didn't have a choice. I was just taught how to cook at an early age, and I cooked for my siblings from a very early age too. I've been cooking since I was 6, dude.
I think I have a good theoretical idea of how to make stuff. It's just like I ain't never actually got in there and did it.
Well, hopefully you can learn a few things from me.
And I do pay attention when other people cook.
That's good. That's basically half the battle. The other half is knowing the specific kitchen you're using. Like every time I use a new stovetop like this one has a weird kink where if you only turn one thing on, it uses 2,000 watts, I assume. But then when you turn another one on, it reduces down to 1,000 or 1,500. So
it's an El Cheapo stove.
Yeah. It's we're in the ghetto. What you gonna do? That's just how it is.
Well, like I've never been in a situation where I've been like in my own place though, where it's like, okay, I'm here fending for myself. And every time I have been in a situation kind of like that, I could just a DoorDash, fucking let's go, or like a fast food joint nearby.
Yeah.
And it wasn't like a situation that was going to be long term anyway. So of course you do that.
I mean, you've been trucking, right? It's a different lifestyle.
Well, yeah, when you're trucking, you just go. Well, a lot of truck drivers do cook their own food in their truck, but I mean, you gotta have like some very practical knowledge of how to build out and kit out a truck to do that.
Oh yeah. Well, at least you're away from the American slop, am I right?
Yeah, dude, I literally like feel myself getting zombified like my entire life living there.
Yeah.
And it's only like the first time I really went overseas where I finally noticed, like, hey, I feel a little bit different. And then I go back to America and it's back to usual.
Back to zombification.
And this is definitely done on purpose. And I don't understand how people talk about they go fucking fight a civil war in America. Like, how you go fight a civil war and your body ain't got the energy of the food to...
See, that's the whole point.
Maybe.
It's a good way to pacify people for sure. For them to not even have real food. Like, y'all don't even have real sugar for the most part. The closest thing, I mean, you got Mexican Coke, but that's not American, you know?
Your body ain't got the electrons, the nutrients, none of the dang on carbohydrates, none of the energy reserve. Well, I mean, they fat, but that's not exactly like, you know, someone fit for hiking outside with a weapon.
Yeah. I guess I should cut these off. Guess we're gonna use these to cap them off.
That damn salt shaker sprinkler thing is one of the most useful things I've ever seen, though, and I've never seen that before.
Yeah, it's really nice. Now I gotta find the one that fits. Oh my god. What have I done to myself? Oh, there we go.
Especially this damn thing. Oh, shit. Look at me. Dropping shit. This shit right here. How you turn it on?
You press the button.
At the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the way that pepper smells. Even though I don't really like pepper that much.
Let's see. This one goes here, I think. Or maybe here.
Look like y'all making something for Halloween with all this shit.
Oh my god, what have I done to myself, man?
Yeah, imagine doing Halloween out of a Danish hood. Like, kids show up at your door, trick or treat, and like freaking Mike hands them some drugs or some shit.
Dude, we don't even celebrate Halloween here. Like, if kids come to your door saying trick or treat, people are just gonna look at them like, are you retarded? We're in Denmark, dude. We don't celebrate that shit. Get the fuck out of here.
But it's like, why the fuck is it all over the dang on store though? Like,
Oh, that's just commercial, like capitalism. It's just, mom, I want.
well, because like in Asian countries, I'm pretty sure they don't like have that merchandising up regardless of like if it's near Halloween or not. I don't think so. And I didn't see anything resembling like American holiday trends when I was in Indonesia.
No.
Now in the Philippines is a different story, but I don't think they really celebrate Halloween, do they? I don't know.
Um, it is a distinctly American thing, but globalization, it's speeding up.
Well, one thing I definitely know no country celebrates is Thanksgiving, so
Oh yeah, for sure.
it's freaking pilgrims. Like, hey, we ain't had no pilgrims in freaking Asia.
Well, we do actually sometimes get like Halloween deals and stuff online. That's about the extent of it.
Do y'all have Black Friday?
Yeah, we got Black Friday deals.
Oh,
But
damn.
We don't celebrate it. Like there's no.
Well, this it's not a celebration, but I'm surprised that y'all get Black Friday because that's like,
Well, not in physical stores, only online.
oh,
Yeah. There's no people going crazy to get some cheap TV, like running each other over. Or
Are you-
walking
do
over
y'all-
each other.
do y'all ever have in Europe that phenomenon where like you don't have this in America anymore even, but like when a new console comes out and then people get like at the freaking store like basically killing each other and running each other over to get the new console as soon as it come out.
No, because Europe is the last place globally that consoles and games come out. So the people who really want them, they order them from other continents. Because it releases like a couple months later over here.
Yeah, actually, now that I think about it, I noticed that with the game releases. Typically, it releases first in Japan, then like America a week later,
Yep.
then like 2 months to a year later in Europe.
If ever. Yeah.
So here you go. Here y'all broke niggas get the leftovers.
Yep, basically. Alright, I think I've done it. Let's go. Alright. I think that's it for now. Thanks for filming, dude. Me and Dion couldn't wait, man. We're too hungry. Mike is busy gambling with his friend, so I made some nuggets so we can survive a few more hours before he finally gets his shit together and cooks his food. Oh well. We're just chilling out, talking, planning the journey. I'm just waiting to, receive the package from Portugal. Once I do, we're basically gonna be ready. So I know it's a little boring right now. We're just in an apartment. It's not really nomadic. But hey, we're moving on soon, and we're gonna sleep in a new place every single day. Just give us a couple weeks. Check it out. This is gonna be so delicious. We got mushrooms as well. And it's a bit foggy. But yeah, got some chicken in there with what do you call it? With marinade I made myself. But let's see here. Tandoori and curry, Indian mango style, and of course some coriander. And what else did I put in there? A little bit of salt, and then just sunflower oil. Let's get it. Oh shit, it's falling apart. Boom, look at that. Oh yeah. You know what? I'm probably supposed to have some kind of rice or pasta with this, but I'm not even gonna bother, man. I'm just hungry. Let's go. This is gonna be magnificent. Oh, that's the big boy. Alright, that's dinner. Guess I'm gonna take a few more of these for good measure. Actually, let me try one. I'm not really feeling the mushrooms, gotta admit. But I'm just not really a mushroom guy. Well, I actually kinda am. Let's eat.